Welcome back to another COG baseball card breaks video. Snake and Rusty Nuts here.
Hey everybody.
What we got tonight, Rusty?
We've got some 1985 tops. We got a couple wax packs and then some
Rack packs. So we got 4 rack packs, 4 wax packs.
So me and Snake are going to be opening. I'll open 2, he'll open 2, and same with the wax. So just whenever you want to get started.
All right.
Two of these rack packs have a
an Aussie All-Star card, so we'll split those up.
So if you want to get started, you want to go first?
No, you go first.
Okay.
Because I'm going to wait and pull my McGwires.
Oh, yeah.
Which one are you going to pull?
I'd like to get a McGwire, too.
We're going to pull some McGwires, some Kirby's, some good ones.
Okay, there we go. There's Aussie.
Pockets.
Oh.
I never would have thought these cards would be worth anything.
Oh. Wrong one. There's a Joe Morgan.
Oh, man. Oh, teasers all over.
This looks good if there's a bunch of these
promising.
in here. Joe Skinner.
Clemens. Bring us a Clemens.
Dave Stewart.
Viola. Okay.
All right.
Teasers in that first pack. Here we go. What's your favorite card in
Williams,
this?
Donnie Moore, Buddy Bell, Carney Lansford. Jackie Moore, Mario Soto.
Nothing.
Nothing in that. No seed.
There you go. All right.
All right, one more in this one.
What do you think's in this one? You gonna call it?
I call him Nolan.
Nolan. That'd be nice.
Just because.
These are all 10s, it looks like.
These are centered good. Tim Raines.
DJ called in, told us they look like all 10s. Oh!
Scott. Oh, yeah, I thought I had him there.
All right.
Okay.
Willie McGee ends it up.
All right, I'm done with mine.
My pack. All right. Let's get my side started off.
So you feel like in this?
I'm thinking I'm going to pull a Dwight Gooden record breaker first. All right, let's see. Right behind the Aussie. Whoa. Were yours back and forth?
That first one was. It was exactly the same thing.
Oh.
A different Aussie.
Oh, Don Sutton. There it is.
Look at that.
There we go.
Yeah.
I can't believe I called that. Can you?
That's a good call.
Yes.
You lucky dog.
Man. Looks good.
Yep.
Cards are in great shape. Little off to the left. Let's get. Oh!
That'd been nice.
Oh! Look at all these USA cards. Good sign? I think so. Randy Lurch. Pete Rose.
The Pete Rose record breaker.
I'll take that. I don't know if that's worth anything. Do you?
No.
And the Mark Davis. This is the number 6 card. Yeah, it's not really listed, I don't think. The record breaker Gooden is the 3. There we go.
Get on to the next one.
Get into the middle. We'll go the middle pack out of my rack. Oh, that's your scissors.
Yeah.
They don't work good for me.
Yeah. Snake, he's not allowed to use these.
I got to use the ones that work with the lefties. Frank Williams. Old Donnie. Y11. Carney. Lefferts. Reggie Jackson. Oh man.
Thought you had a Nolan.
Yep. We need to pull a Nolan out of here. Everybody loves the Nolans. Mookie, Nato, Greg McMurtry, and Sid Fernandez. Okay.
Okay, who you calling out of that pack then?
This one?
Yeah.
Dare I say a Clemens?
Since
we got the Dwight Evans on the front. Okay. Oh yeah, this feels good. Feels like it. Nothing yet. Al Bumbry, Rudy Law, Flannery, Tug McGraw,
Tim's daddy,
Rock Raines, Evan Bass, Jerry Kuzman. That's a good sign for later on.
Yep.
Maybe the Nolan's right after him. How cool would that have been?
Okay, we got two here. We got a Rod Carew on this one and a Willie McCovey.
All right, which one are you picking?
I'm going for the Rod Carew.
Okay. I'm thinking you're going to get an Oral. What do you think?
What, a Cal Ripken?
A Hershiser. Okay, those All-Stars are cattywampus.
Danny Cox, Dave Stewart.
Another Frank.
Tony Scott. Rick Sutcliffe.
Ooh. Every time I see those colors.
Yep.
Oh, there's the manager for the Astros.
Gotcha. I like these rack packs.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I do too. These 85s are making a comeback, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
All right.
Alan Trammell. Dale Murray.
Any relation to Dale Murphy?
No. Oh, there we go.
Hey, all right.
There's a Nolan.
Cool.
I'll center a little bit, but that's a sweet card.
Yeah. So,
Johnny Grubb, Kevin Gross.
we got a couple of hits and a couple of rack packs. That's not too bad. I'll take that. Probably up to about $5 in cards now.
Mike
Come
Mason. Let's get some with Hubie.
I'm ready for a Clemens. How about you? Oh, what?
Got two of those in a row, just about. Oh, Mike Young.
Vance Law.
All right. I got a Nolan out of that.
That's good. That's good. We're averaging a hit, about a hit per rack pack.
Most definitely sleevable.
Okay, let's see what Willie McCovey brings us. I wonder if these All-Star cards worth anything? I doubt it.
I do not know.
We put it up on our little stand over there we got. We're fancy now, guys. And look at that!
Oh, a double hit.
Yes!
Double hit.
Got another one. How about that? Cool.
Oh.
Teaser too. All right, here, you gonna
I'll
sleeve that one?
I'll sleeve that. I see
And
that
we'll see
teaser
what
back
that
in the back.
is. It's a blank head. Oh.
Another one?
Oh, it's the same one I had before, I think. Julio, Solano, Lurch, Pete Rose. That's the same.
Same pack.
Is this the same pack, pretty much? We'll put that down since we got the Otomy. That's not the same.
No.
Okay. Like Blair, Raleigh, and here's something. Cool. All right. We'll take that, won't we?
Yep. You got two more to go.
All right. Let's pull that Clemens. That's what everybody's here for.
Get me a
And
McGwire.
you can get the McGwire.
Okay, I'll take that.
Johnny Ray. Oh, strawberry draft pick. I don't know if that's worth anything. I'm guessing not.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yep. It's worth a little bit.
Cool. Pull it back up there. I didn't think that. Sleeve it and we'll show 'em. Oh. Jaeger. Oh, there's strawberry too. What about that one? Is that one worth anything?
Oh yeah.
270. That's the 570 card. Huh. That's weird that his draft pick card's worth more than his base.
Yes.
As far as we know.
Yep. That's what it shows on the PSA.
Okay. Well, cool.
Oh, look,
there's a
Ripken.
Ripken. Is that a hit?
Oh yeah, that's a hit.
Cool. There we go. Pulling some decent cards. Right.
And you got another
And I got another pack out of my rack pack. All right. Maybe hit Eric Davis. What do you think? No?
If you want them.
All right, I'll take him. Come on. Tug
Another
again.
tug.
Oh, Dwight Evans. Jeff Stone. Jerry Kuzman up.
Gonna be a dud pack.
That's okay. We already got our. Oh, Joe Price. We got 3 decent cards out of there. A couple of ones we're considering hits, really. All right.
Okay.
Ready to break into the.
Ready to break into some
wax
wax
packs.
here.
We love wax packs.
Got these off eBay. It's hard telling if they're legit or not. They were cheap enough.
Doesn't matter. Still fun to open them.
That's it. Got us some gum on a Joe Nolan.
Ooh. That's who Nolan Ryan was named after.
Okay, here we go. Rick Kent. I didn't comment. There's another one of those Pete Rose record breakers.
Cool.
Steve Yeager. Oh, man, I seen that. I thought it was Boston.
All right.
Ooh, look at the cut on that.
Wow. Wow. Miscut. I don't think I've seen one of these that bad.
Tom Gorman, Lonnie Smith, and look at the cut on Joe Nolan.
Yes. Hey, leave us a comment if you got some worse miscuts than those.
Yeah, those are pretty good. That pack had never been searched. No. They didn't throw some junk in that one.
No. They threw in a couple of
They threw
miscuts.
a couple of junk ones in that.
All right, let's get through and see what I can get for us. Weird. Okay.
There is gum in there, wasn't there? Yep.
Yep. It's on here. It's on Eddie Whitson.
Hey, our JC man.
Johnson City, Tennessee. Is this what you did?
Yep.
All right. Here we go. Mookie. Gary Maddox. There's the Ed Whitson. Dwight Evans again. Terry Pendleton. Dave Palmer. Kepshire. Ronsay. Jose De Leon.
Yeah, these aren't looking too swift here.
Huh. Well, the rack packs are what?
Right.
3 times this. So.
Yep.
Who got gummy there?
Ron Reed.
Ron Reed. Okay, here we go.
Jimmy Key. Jackie something.
Gutierrez. Chips on.
Brian Little, Dale Murray.
Hey,
Dale Murphy, All-Star.
card. I'll take that.
That will be going to Snake's private collection.
Now all we need is the base card. Does he have a base?
I don't know on that one. I would think so.
This is
Well, that's it on that.
Yeah. Cool.
That was a short video.
I got one more.
You got one more. I'm sorry.
I'll just take this one off camera if that's what you want. Let's save those. Put them in One Touch or something. Oh yes. I got a manager card and the Joe Carter's got the gum on it. Turn these around real quick. Get that gum out of
See
there.
if this last pack will save us on these wax packs.
All right. Good start.
Oh, check
yes.
this. Yeah.
133 to 264. That's not the one we're looking for. Neither is the Chuck Cotier and Lynch. Vanderberg, Leon Roberts, Joe Carter. That's worth something.
A little rough on the bottom.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, a little something.
694. Maybe we'll put that in the sleeve for us. Vukovic. Now all we need is a hit. There. Oh, Hootenanny. And Altobelli. All right. So we got decent amount of cards. No
major hits, but
yeah, we didn't get a McGwire. We didn't get a Clemens or a Puckett. So.
But we did get a Nolan. I think that's the top one between him and
your pull.
Yeah.
You got a Nolan, and I got a couple of Gooden record breakers. I got a Joe Carter, strawberry draft pick card, and a cow. So cool. That's fun. Decent hits for what we had, really.
Yeah, for what we had in them, wasn't much.
Yep.
It was fun.
All right. That's about it. We'll see you next time.
See you
later.